Cordial greetings. My name is Lina Maria Cuellar Mota. Today I am going to talk about the effect of technology on our planet Earth. Technology has brought great positive effects to our planet and humanity choose as the ability to investigate and learn about various questions and ethics in ethics and others. It has provided the opportunity for growth and innovation in companies, the possibility of education more easy, to reach distance splits. With basic service, it has brought people closer together and has infinite benefits for the human being and the planet. Negative. Technology has also brought great aspects or negative effects to environment and humanity. Some of them are soil water pollution, noise pollution, all kinds of pollution. Technology has brought, in addition, there is a lot of awareness on the part of many people. They no longer like to do to do things with themselves, but they look for everything on the internet or from other sites. Mm, Deforestation, destruction of fauna and flora, illegal milling, increasing in illegal mining, damage to the atmosphere due to the effects of pollution gas and chemical agents and weapons, and the industrialization of companies. Disease had also been had as a result of the consequence lead by technology. Futuro of planet Earth. In our planet Earth contains green things of destruction and pollution, and all the negative aspects in the future our planet will not have reached. Poor air, it will be almost impossible to find, and please fauna and flora. Global warming will be greater deterioration and pollution in environmental protection will tie us to the brain of despair and dash. In the future, the psychological and emotional wear and the until I will be consumer and technology will take or breath away um, who to mitigate the damage. To solve the environment damage, governments must establish policies to improve the environment. The strategy of forest protection must also be implemented, and new forests must be planted. Be planted. Implement environmentally friendly technology in order to solve the problem. Thank you.